Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to permanently delete your WhatsApp account. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, tap on Settings, which you'll find in the bottom right corner. From the Settings menu, select Account. Here, you'll see several options related to your WhatsApp account. You may notice options like Change Number, which allows you to keep your account but move it to a different phone number. There are also options to manage your privacy settings, free up storage, or get help if you're experiencing issues. If you don't want to use any of those options and you're sure you want to remove your account completely, tap on Delete Account. WhatsApp will show a message letting you know that your account will be permanently deleted. Then re-enter your phone number to confirm. Once you enter your number and confirm, your WhatsApp account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to permanently delete your WhatsApp account.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.